Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, I'm going to be talking about recurring payments and how to set them up. So first, before you set up your recurring payments, you obviously have to create a product. If you do not have a product, you can just go over here and create a product right here. Once your product is created, you're going to go to edit, you're going to go to pricing, and over here is where you can start setting up your recurring payments. First, you got to link either PayPal or Stripe into your super checkout, and it's pretty easy. You just got to follow these steps over here, go to these links, and it will be done. Secondly, you select the currency, your refund period, if it's 7 days, 15, 21, and 30 days. And over here you can select the payment type, and of course we're going to select recurring payments. Next up, we can add taxes if we want. Underneath that, we can configure the affiliate levels. We can add the percentages right over here, the new level of percentages. How many levels do you want? Once you're done, you can confirm levels. And to set up your subscription plans for your recurring payments, just click on this plus icon. I already have two over here. If we click on it, we can edit it. Right here, you have to set up a title, the price for your payment plan. Over here, a little description. The frequency of the recurring payments that you're going to have, you can select 1, 2, 3, whichever number you want. And if it's going to be in days, months, or years. Usually though, for recurring payments, we use months and every month. You could also do every 2 months as I did on my test over here. And once you set up your subscription plans, you are pretty much done setting up your recurring payments. If you had already created a product, you can just save and exit out. If not, you can just finish creating your product right here. You can select your thank you page. That's going to be once the client buys your product, he's going to be redirected to this page. Next, you can select the page where you sell this product. So this is going to be a button, for example, on your home page where he will be redirected to the sale page. So I'm just going to select my home page over here. That is going to be the register page. And if they want to request for affiliation, I have a second home over here for that. I'll just select that and click on next. You can select your email campaigns for your payment plans and also your restricted areas if you want to. Once you click next, it will save our product. We just have to accept terms and conditions. And once we go to my products, we can get the links for our subscription pages. So for example, my first payment plan is going to be right here. I'm going to copy to my clipboard. I'm going to go to my editor and I'm just going to put it on my home page. You guys get the idea though. You'd have to put this whatever your sale page is. I'm just going to select a button. I'm going to put the button right here. Right click on it. Go to action. Select web address and paste our link. Once you do that, our link should be working. We're going to go to preview. First, we're going to save, of course. After that, we're going to go to preview and click on it. We're going to click on leave. And it's going to take us to our super checkout area with our first subscription plan. That's going to be $100 per month. Over here, there's going to be my product. My product is showing right here, the description, the payment plan name. We can continue with the payment. We had PayPal set up, so he's going to have to set up his PayPal. And once your client finishes setting this up, he's going to pay your $100 per month until he doesn't want your subscription anymore or he cancels or whatever reason he finds. And just remember, you cannot cancel subscriptions through the super checkout. You would have to cancel through PayPal, and I have the links over here for PayPal and Stripe. If you guys can pause the video and copy these links, this is where you would find information to cancel your subscriptions on PayPal and on Stripe. So this is how you guys set up your recurring payments. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.